Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today me and my sous chef Kenny are going to show you how to make a simple and delicious veggie stromboli. So, shall we get started? Here's what you'll need. You can either use a store-bought pizza dough or make some on your own. The link will be in the description below. You can use any vegetables you want and any type of cheese, just try to make sure they're not soggy and around these amounts. That said, if you're using frozen spinach as well, thaw it out and heat it in a pan to get rid of the water. Next, just add garlic and some salt. This isn't traditional, but I'm adding a touch of ginger. I keep it in the freezer and then just grate some with a knife so its taste won't take over the dish. Plus, it's a great way to get people to eat some ginger without them noticing. Give it one quick stir, let it heat for a few seconds and then take it off the heat. Now for our dough. When making the dough, I added some dried oregano to the mix before adding the water. Now just knead the dough, keep it as oval as you can and as thin as you can. I used my fingers to get the initial shape and then just rolled it thin. We're almost done. All that's left is combining everything together. Just add your vegetables in and line them up properly. Now we add the cheese. I use mozzarella here, but you can use any cheese you want. I usually use a mix of mozzarella and ricotta because both of them together just taste phenomenal. Now it's time to roll. When rolling it, just pinch the seam, it will help you later on. Stretch it a bit and keep rolling and shape it as you go along. You can seal and cut off the edges or just tuck them under like I did. Next, make some slits at the top for the steam to escape. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and place it in a preheated oven at around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Or you can have your sous chef do that for you. Looks like it's done. Let's have a look. I really love making this dish for my family because it's a great way to make them eat something they usually avoid, like spinach. So let me know in the comments below what you put in yours. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit.